Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas Day 14, and I'm going to be bringing you along and bringing you some cleaning motivation as I prep for a Christmas party that I hosted over the weekend, and show you the Dollar Tree plates that I shared in my haul video on these charger plates that I have and I don't bring out enough. I got a few of them myself, and then my mother-in-law gave me some as well, and I really do love these decorative pieces. And when I saw these plates in the store, I thought that they would pair so well with these two colors. So the gingerbread one with the blue looks so good on the turquoise plate, charger plate, and then the other one on the red. I love the look. And then I have this little cake stand as well that I'm going to decorate the table with later, but I just love the look of those plates. And then I have the punch bowl area to set up, and I have these mini tree skirts that I'm going to place under. I did that setup last year as well for my Christmas party that I hosted. But I need to tackle these dishes and get this kitchen looking nice so that when my friends come to get the punch, it is decorative and nice, and there's not a pile of dishes in my sink. So I'm going to get to the dishes, give you some cleaning motivation, and then I'm going to party prep. I usually make cake pops or like another treat as well, but this week was just really busy, and I don't know, I'm just really tired in this season of life, and I just didn't have the time to do it, and not as many people were coming this year, so I didn't know if they would want to eat them. And then my other friends brought treats as well, and they brought a few sweet treats and then like some different fruits and vegetables and all of that. So there was definitely other sweet treats available and coming. So I didn't make my cake pops this year, but I do love to make cake pops. Last year for Vlogmas, I made cake pops. Are you hosting any Christmas parties this year, or have you? I can't believe Christmas is next week. We're almost there. It just feels like it comes so quickly. It's so far away, and then it sneaks up on us as the days go by and as we're preparing and getting the things done. But it was so nice to have some friends over from church and just hang out, talk, eat some good food, and just have a cozy Christmassy night. So fun. So glad that I was able to do that. And I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation for maybe a party you're hosting or family that you're hosting this week or next week as the holidays come. So now I am going to clean those plates from Dollar Tree so I can put them out on the table, and when my friends come with their goodies, they can place their goodies there on the table and it will look all pretty. And then I'm just giving the charger plates a wipe down because they were just stored in my china cabinet and they have not been used for a while and they were a little bit dusty, so giving them a wipe down and taking these stickers off of the Dollar Tree plates. I am so glad I picked these Dollar Tree plates up. I think they're just so cute, and they match my decor, my gingerbread theme so well. Yes. So if you are new here and clicking on this video for the first time, I am a homeschool mom to 4, and here on my channel I share cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and homemaking, So definitely stick around, subscribe if you are not. I have a bunch more videos coming through Vlogmas. I'll be posting right up to the 24th. And then, of course, there will be more in the new year: cleaning motivation, homeschool, homemaking, and sensory bins for all of the seasons, if time allows. But I will be back with definitely homemaking and homeschool and cleaning motivation. So stick around for that. I love to share and I love to inspire mothers in this season of life. Alright, so the dishes are done and I just wanted to go ahead and dry these off so that they were ready for later that evening when I was able to decorate the table. After this, I needed to get dinner for my kids and clean up my living room and dining room area and then get my 2 younger kids to bed. Thankfully, my husband was able to come home. He was working on the Saturday that I hosted this. He is working through weekends through Christmas, but then has days off during the week. But he was home to wrangle the smaller kids to bed, and then he hung out with the older boys. So I have 2 boys and then a girl and then a boy. So my husband helped put the younger kids to bed and then hung out with the older 2. Well, I had some friends over. It was just girls. It was like a girls' night. So he hung out with them while we chatted and just had a cozy Christmas time. So yeah, but I had to get as much party prep as I could done before I needed to make dinner and finish tidying up. I could tidy up the living room and dining room area before, but I've done that and everything I clean up is a mess with the 2 littles. So sometimes what you clean up is undone very, very quickly. So now I am just prepping the little Dollar Tree ornament cups. I used these last year, but this year I'm adding some masking tape to the straws and creating a little flag so that my friends can add their name on it, because I found that last year as they moved around, maybe sat on the couch or at the table or pulled over some chairs to hang out, that because they're the same, we would get mixed up with whose cup was whose. So I thought this would be a great idea. Easy to clean, easy to get off, and super, super cheap. Masking tape is super, super cheap, and I already had some for some homeschool purposes. So love that. It worked out really, really good. And I love how the punch bowl looks with the decor. So I still have a few more things to put away, but I am going to show you the rest of the party prep here as we go along. So I have cleaned my dining room table after dinner and I am getting the kids ready for bed, and as they are finishing getting ready for bed, I was able to set this up and keep them away from the breakables on the table. So I used another one of those mini tree skirts that I have and the charger plates and everything. And we got this clear table topper for our table. If you have not seen our DIY dining room table makeover, definitely go check that video out. I posted it yesterday for Vlogmas Day 13. We recently redid this and I love how it turned out. I am so glad we did it. I love it. So the table all decorated with the Christmas decor in the back. And then this is what I shared with my friends. I got some mini taquitos from Walmart and I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven. I have never had these ones from Walmart. We usually get them from Superstore, and then you couldn't find them for a while, but now Superstore has them back. But my husband was on his way home and needed to grab these for me, so he went to Walmart. And then here is the goodies from my friends on the table as well, starting to be laid out. So that is all for Vlogmas Day 14. Thank you so much for being here, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not, and I will see you in the next one for Vlogmas Day 15. Bye for now.